Hello everyone, today we have a review of the scooter Ninebot scooter F2 Plus with a global software, which the firmware was changed to a USA one, and it's up to 32 kilometers per hour. And actually the video how to unlock your scooter you can find in the comments below, but today I will have a review in 2024 whether it's still worth to buy. Currently is January 2024. The weather outside is cold, but I still use it when there is no snow. I still drive it even with -5, -7 on the street. So let's have a brief review first. So firstly, the brakes here are very normal. As you see, similar to the bike, not electric one, not magnetic. And currently, after more than 1000 kilometers per hour, you see I can almost touch the wheel. Before it was like this to fully stop. Now I need to press it maximally to do it this way. I guess here the main support which installed here is already will be out soon, so I need to replace it, but for now after 1000 kilometers it's fine. That's how the bike looks like. What they promote here is a maximum speed of 25 km per hour, but actually it can be up to 32 km per hour when you unlock it. Dual brake system, so electronic brakes are in the back of the bike, and the electronic brake works when you press these brakes. Also digital dashboard, it's actually here, and you have three modes: eco mode, drive mode, and speed mode. Also, when you press one, it's turn on the light, you've got the backlight here, the red, and when you press the brakes, it's become even more bright, and the front light actually also working fine, just LED light, and when you drive it works fine, you can see everything at night. Also, let's turn it off, and the speed indicator and the battery indicator here. So one of them is equal to 20%. Actually, five of them together is 100%, and the first 10% is just like this. So this means 80% now left, or 82, 85. When it will be from 70 to 80, this fourth one will start blinking. Also, horn. Actually, it's not electrical, not that convenient to use sometimes, making this noise, but it's not a big issue. This is actually gas. When you press it, you go. Also, you have this thing here to actually see need to be fixed a bit, and a wheel as well, I guess. If it's okay, it's separately. Need to tighten it up a bit. After 1000 kilometers, it doesn't fit that well. The wheel actually fit well after 1000 kilometers, and in 2022 it's still 2024, sorry, it's still a really good option. Here is have the sort of deflector. The tires, as you see, after 1000 kilometers it looks really nice, and then only pump them once when I maybe after 100 kilometers when I bought the scooter. And from the back you've got also this deflector from left and right. Also the motor here, this actually how it looks like, and here also you have the charge. And I think in 2024 this scooter is actually quite new, it was released in 2023, so even in 2024 it looks quite well, and after 1000 kilometers I still would recommend to buy. Also you have the button here that turn off indicators, right indicator and some sound, left indicator and sound. Also you see this indication here on the screen, which is also quite nice, and in setting you can disable the sound or enable. So the wheel also, you see, it's actually around I think 60 centimeters, quite wide, very convenient to hold if you're going with two people. Basically one person holds here, one person can hold here. If you go with your girlfriend, it's really convenient. And this bike is actually quite suitable to drive with two people. One person should put two legs here and second person put two legs here, and it's quite enough space for two person. This back cover, it's actually metal here, you see, so the quality is quite well. This is made of plastic, of course, and to hold it, let me just show you. Alright, then you put this thing here and you can carry it with you like this. It's actually quite heavy, 18 kilogram, but still not that heavy as G30 Max, and very easy to put it back. That's it. So here, very simple. Actually, let's check it out how it looks like from the back side. I mean from the downside. So for this one, we need to put off the stopper here and put it on one side, and let's check it out. So what we have here is actually your serial number, certification number, date of production 2023, and the model, some model number. And that's how it looks like. It's actually after 1000 kilometers, so looks not bad, I can tell you. You see some minor scratches, especially here, but in general I don't see any big issues. The battery is still good, and I was driving it even during the heavy rains, and yeah, it's just a bit dirty, but I will show in other videos how to clean it as well. So basically, as you see here, the motor is installed here, and here you can pump your bike. So actually, after this 1000 kilometers, I can tell you that this is really good option. As you see, the quality is quite nice. 1000 kilometers, it's not that much, but after some time I will have a next review, maybe in 1 year, and it will be around 3000 kilometers. I can show you how good is it, but in 2024 still good option, no new scooter appears, and if you need some scooter for spring, that's really nice to buy. Also winter you can drive it with -5, -10. I already tried. The battery is drying a bit faster, but in general it's drivable. You can use it normally. On a slippery road you have the protection. In the app you can activate the option against slippery road. Also you have cruise control for American version, or if you crack your version and you've set this American one, maybe also you can start from 0 kilometers per hour, or from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can select it, and you don't need to push your scooter before riding. And currently the maximum speed is 32, as I mentioned. I don't know, I don't think I can show it to you now, but yeah, believe me, it supports 32 kilometers per hour, and a video how to unlock it will be again in the comments below, so you can find it there. And this is a nice option, and the price of this, I bought it for around $650, which is really nice for this sort of scooter. On one range, per eco mode, you can go up to 55 kilometers per hour. On drive mode is 45, on speed mode is 35, and more or less this is real, depends on your weight. Actually, with 2 person, I guess it's around 30 kilometers maximum on a speed and drive mode, where you can, the drive range that you can reach. In general, that's really nice option to buy. It's very modern. You have many settings in the app, and I've got some review on the app on my channel. You can find it also in the comments below and the descriptions there. With disadvantages, I guess this horn, maybe they can do it electrical one, which will be quite nicer than having this old school. Also, the wheel sometimes it's it's white, it's really convenient, but when you need to place it in a tiny car, in a tiny tank, it's actually, you need to find the proper angle to put it inside your tank. Also the brakes are fine, but as I saw some review, they just dismantle those brakes, and they saw on the bottom that your support is not going to entire brakes, and actually you need to replace and have some maintenance here more often. So after 1000 kilometers, what I need to do is just to put this the metal wire a bit down. It's actually quite simple, but in the future definitely needs some maintenance as well. Also for this stopper here, it's actually already not that reliable, and the location of it is quite low. So when you drive out of some wide area like that, when you drive it you can touch it with the stopper. So there are some options on AliExpress available when the stopper is using same screws but located somewhere here. So it's much convenient that you cannot touch it when you go fast for some wide area. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I really recommend to buy this bike, this e-scooter in 2024, and it's still a good option for $600. In case you still have some questions, leave it in the comments below. In case you want to unlock 32 kilometers per hour, also check the description of the video. You can find the tutorial how to unlock it. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.